All right, today we're going to be working through lesson 9.4, and it's called Add and Subtract Lengths. So our essential question is, how can drawing a diagram help when solving problems about length? So that's what we should be able to do, is use a diagram to help us solve problems about length. So we're going to start on this page. We're going to start on, what is this page? 621. And it says, Nate had 23 centimeters of string. He gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra. How much string does Nate have now? So we're going to unlock the problem, and we have to think, what do I need to find? Well, we need to find how much string Nate has now. So let's go ahead and trace this. How much string? And then we'll go down here. Nate has now. And if I'm going too fast for you, feel free to pause and trace. All right, so what information do I need to use? Well, let's see. Nate had blank centimeters of string. He gave blank centimeters of string to Myra. So he had, let's check the problem, 23 centimeters of string, and he gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra. Got it. Okay, so show how to solve the problem. So we're going to use this number line, and we're going to draw a diagram. So the first thing we know is that he has 23 centimeters of string. So there's a 23 line, a line for 23. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. All right, so then we come down here, and so like I said, we have this line of 23. And so because he gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra, that means we're taking them away. So we're going to go backwards on our number line 9 hops. And so we end at 14. So that's 9 hops. Okay, and so we had 23, right? Minus 9 equals blank. And so that's what we have to figure out. And so 23 minus 9 equals, we line up at the 14. 14. So Nate has 14 centimeters of string now. So let's go to the next page and try some more problems. So it says, draw a diagram, write a number sentence using a gray box or a blank for the unknown number. So remember, what do I need to find and what information do I need to use? So let's figure that out. So Ellie has a ribbon that is 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters, that's something we know. Long. Gwen has a ribbon that is 9 centimeters long. So we'll underline that. How many centimeters of ribbon do they have? All right, so let's draw this diagram. So Ellie has 9 centimeters of ribbon, so we'll draw a line here. We'll draw a line there. So we know this 9 is Ellie's ribbon. But then Gwen has 9 centimeters of ribbon, so we've got to count 9 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we end at 18. So, oh, you know what? I just realized I made a mistake. Ellie has 12 centimeters of ribbon, not 9. Gwen has 9. So we'll take this out to 12. Now we'll count up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we ended at 21. So we'll go ahead and finish the diagram. And we'll write 12 for Ellie's and 9 for Gwen's. And so what we figured out was 12 plus 9 equals blank, right? And so what we found is 12 plus 9 more equals 21. So that means they have 21 centimeters of ribbon altogether, which is what we needed to find out. Number 2. A string is 24 centimeters long. Okay, so that's something we need to know. Justin cuts 8 centimeters off. Okay, how long is the string now? Okay, so he cut some of it off. All right, so let's see. So he had some, it was 24 centimeters. So we'll draw our diagram. There's 24 all the way over there. And we'll draw a line all the way over. Mine's probably not going to be super straight because I'm drawing on this tablet. There we go. But then he cut 8 centimeters off, so we got to go back 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we should end at 16 if I counted correctly. Okay, and I'm going to draw another diagram, right? Because we went backwards because he cut it off. He cut off 8, right? and he had 24. Okay, so 24, he had 24. We're taking away 8, and we're finding an answer. And so after he cut off 8, that means it was 16 centimeters. So now the string is 16 centimeters long, which is what we wanted to find. How long is the string now? So let's go to the next page. Whoops, there we go. Went a little too far. All right. So this is our last one. This is our last one. So I want you to try it on your own this time. Okay? So here's the problem. A chain of paper clips is 18 centimeters long. So I'm going to help you out by telling you this is something you need to know, that it's 18 centimeters. Sandra adds 6 centimeters of paper clips. So that's important, that she's adding 6 centimeters of paper clips to the chain. How long is the chain now? So I want you to use what's there. I want you to see if you can figure out the diagram to draw and the problem that you're going to write right. And so down here, you're also going to try to write the problem. See if you can figure out what problem to write and have this for a blank, the little gray box. All right, go ahead and pause your video and give it a try. All right, so let's see. Let's see if you got it right. So we first should have drawn a line to 18 because the chain of paper clips is 18 centimeters long. So 18. Sandra adds 6 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And so then we should have 18 plus 6 equals blank. And so what did we get? 18 plus 6 equals 24. So the chain is 24 centimeters long now. All right, let's move along to the mid-chapter checkpoint. So you're going to turn this page in. This is one of the 3 pages you're going to turn in. This will be the first page you turn in. Okay? So it says unit is a unit cube. You can use a unit cube or you can just use your ruler. Measure the length in centimeters. So you're going to measure the crayon and measure the string. Go pause your video if you haven't already. Number 3, the pencil is about 11 centimeters long. Circle the best estimate of the string. So if the pencil is 11 centimeters, how long would you estimate the string is without measuring it? You're not going to measure the string. We already know the pencil is 11. About how long is the string? Is it 7 centimeters, 10 centimeters, or is it 16 centimeters? Pause your video and figure out your best answer. All right, number 4 is the Think Smarter problem. This time you are going to use a ruler. It says use a centimeter ruler. What is the length of this ribbon to the nearest centimeter? So again, measure the ribbon. All done? All right, so here's the answers. Here's the answers you should have gotten. The crayon is about 9 centimeters. The string is about 5. The string is about 7 centimeters. And the ribbon you should have gotten is 13 centimeters. All right, on our homework pages. So you're going to do page 625 and 626. So 3 pages you're going to turn in for me. Okay? All right, good luck.